Interacting galaxies. I'm talking about the Whirlpool galaxy, or M51.
Now, the Whirlpool galaxy really hasn't been photographed all that much. I'm kidding, this thing has been photographed so many times. If you spend any amount of time in this hobby, I'm sure you've seen a photo of it.
The most well-known was taken back in 2005 by the Hubble telescope, and William Parsons used this telescope in 1850 to draw this sketch of the Whirlpool. Needless to say, many people have imaged M51.
For that reason, I'm doing something different.
I'm breaking out all the lenses, and I'm going to take a photo of this galaxy at 4 different focal lengths. The goal is, at the end of the video, we'll start with a photo like this, and zoom in all the way to the area covered by the red rectangle, so it feels like we're flying through space.
I shot these photos during April, which is in the middle of what we in astronomy call galaxy season. This is when the Earth is best positioned to see out beyond our own galactic plane to distant galaxies.
See, during the summer months, we're facing towards the core of the Milky Way, hence all those amazing photographs that litter your Instagram. And during the winter months, we're facing towards the Orion arm of the Milky Way. But from March through May, we've got a great view of galaxies like M51, which is called a grand design spiral galaxy for obvious reasons. Now, the diameter of the Whirlpool is about 60,000 light years, which is significantly smaller than that of our own Milky Way. The first thing I want to point out are these amazing red clouds, and what these are star-forming regions in this galaxy. Now, don't expect these regions to show up in my photo because Hubble's camera can see things that mine cannot.
Going dark.
For instance, this is how my unmodified camera sees a cornfield, and this is roughly what it would look like if my camera was more sensitive to those near-infrared and infrared wavelengths that my eyes can't see. And notice just how much red and pink my camera failed to capture.
In fact, when I'm using my stock DSLR to shoot galaxies, I often see bluish colors. This is because of the blue young stars being formed in these galaxies. So expect photos like this. And check out these dark lanes. Ooh, don't mind if I do. These dark lanes are actually regions of dust and gas that are being compressed, contributing to star formation. Many astronomers believe this galaxy's tidal forces actually make these features more pronounced, hence interacting galaxies. It's like a galactic arm wrestling match. Now, you might think these galaxies are on the same plane, but they're not. Just like I'm not in this jar of mayonnaise. Or am I? Most astronomers believe that the dwarf galaxy is actually passing behind M51.
Now, to get the best photo of these interacting galaxies and capture the beautiful blue color, you'll have to avoid light pollution.
So I hopped in the car and made the long 2.5-hour drive to the dark sky site. Twice. Making these drives was exhausting, and half the battle was just remembering to pack up all the gear I needed. This was one of the most involved astro projects I've done to date, and though it was so rewarding, it was pretty challenging. I think any astrophotographer would tell you that these montages don't actually capture the amount of effort that goes into each of these photos, nor do they show you what it's like to subsist on granola bars and crush monsters to stay awake the whole night while you're imaging. That and the fact that you almost always have to wrestle with entangling cables and equipment that is giving you issues. But like so many things in life, leaving the comfort of your day-to-day is the only way to get a new perspective on your situation, embracing these challenges when they come your way. Sometimes we have to be willing to face those mountains because only after we've climbed them can we appreciate things with a new perspective. So when that sun finally sets and that field is plunged into darkness, I'm reminded once again of just how much I can see because I made that journey. How I can take in the wonders of God's creation in ways I never imagined. And you know what? It's worth it.
I want to thank you so much again for watching this video, and I hope it encouraged you to go ahead and do that thing, to step outside your comfort zone, to challenge yourself in new ways so that you get a perspective on life that you hadn't had before. Oftentimes the trials and the challenges we walk through are the things that grow us the most. So I encourage you to do that. And again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep your head up. Clear skies are on the way.
Oh, and sorry for the delay in uploading this. I have this friend Mike, and Mike was supposed to help me with this video, but he decided to stop working. Don't be a Mike.
Actual Mike's consider notification actual Mike's intended or should be inferred.